In this video, I'm going to show you the bottom feeder service cart. And this is a service cart made by Advantage Manufacturing, specifically for the bottom feeder cleaner. So there's a tray in front designed to hold the bottom feeder. And I've been using the bottom feeder cart now for a couple of weeks. And I really like this. And I don't think I would carry the bottom feeder back to a stop anymore after using the cart. So this cart will allow you to take the bottom feeder, plus everything else you're going to need to service an account, all back to the stop, all at one time. And on the back are slots for the pool brushes. There's also a spot on the back for a test kit, and also for any bottles you carry back there. Plus there's a spot where you can put your pool pole. This is really convenient, and a great way to bring, again, everything back to your stop, all at one time. So let's say you have to bring some chemicals back to your stop. That's not a problem with this cart. I'll show you how I configure it when I'm bringing chlorine and acid back. So when I'm bringing chemicals back, I just stick my leaf rake here next to the chlorine and acid. Then I hang the bottom feeder on the post here in the center. And you can also have Advantage Manufacturing make some custom adjustments when you order the cart, so you can configure this cart any way you choose. Again, it'll make your day a lot easier just to bring everything back in the cart, and you no longer need to carry anything when you go back to your stop. And as far as the test kit holder goes, you can have Advantage Manufacturing make you a larger one for a tailored test kit. And all of the service carts by Advantage Manufacturing are handmade in Santa Ana, California, and they've been making pump carts and service carts since 1992. So rest assured you're going to get a well-made product when you get the bottom feeder cart. And here's a look at some other service carts that Advantage Manufacturing makes, and they have separate videos on each of these. You have the bottom feeder cart to the left. In the middle is their portable filtration system, the PortaVac, and to the right is their professional service cart. And of course, one of the great things about the bottom feeder cart is that if you order the hitch from Advantage Manufacturing and put a drop mount on it, you can mount it to the back of your truck, and this will allow you to easily transport the cart from one service account to another without lifting it into the bed of your truck. So you can mount it directly into the receiver, or you can get the T-bar mount, also from Advantage Manufacturing, and this will allow you to mount two service carts to the back of your truck at the same time. I find the T-bar mount a very convenient way to carry the bottom feeder cart along with another cart of your choosing. And I know the bottom feeder is a lightweight vacuum system, but I find that the cart is just a really convenient way to bring everything back. You don't have to carry the bottom feeder, or you don't have to bring a tote or a bucket with all your stuff back to the stop. Everything you're going to need can be put into the cart, and I find using the bottom feeder cart to be very convenient at all of my stops. Pool Service Pro. Open a Leslie's wholesale account today and receive wholesale pricing on products you use every day. Leslie's Pool Supply offers convenient locations that are open 7 days a week. Another great benefit of opening a Leslie's wholesale account is Leslie's referral program. Get referred to a customer looking for weekly pool service. Save time and money and grow your pool service route and become a Leslie's Pro.